touchdown in Cali. I live in Oregon, so it's pretty close. Head to the Redwoods today. Gonna do a little nature walk. You know what I'm saying? I got we'll take beforehand so we can really enhance our experience and make sure we're really tapping in with the nature. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The camera be frying me a little bit. I think y'all can tell. I don't know why the HDR hella high, but here we are in Cali. Pretty trim. This is what we're munching on. I got 3 of them in here. We're taking 30 mgs straight to the dome. I already bought my fit. My fit a little dirty. Just came from football practice. Y'all get it. Y'all get the grind. You got indica though. I'm not a big indica guy. More of a hybrid like most people, but I think it'll be good regardless because it's blessed. This pack came from the Lord. Also, don't mind my loud ass wipers. Sorry, my fault. That's 1. That's 2. Here's the 3rd. We're about 45 out from the Redwoods. Hopefully these kick in as soon as we get there. We have a blessed little nature walk, spirit walk, you know what I'm saying? Taking you out with me because everyone deserves to see the Redwoods. They're so beautiful and they're a humbling experience. And I can't wait to get there. I've been there probably 17 times in the past year. I go a lot because it's so trim and I'm blessed enough to live so close. So I'm gonna get back to when we get there. I'm gonna stop at a couple places, show y'all the little hidden spots, show y'all the nice spots, you know what I'm saying? It's a rainy day today, but that won't stop us. Come on now. All right, y'all, we are here at the first spot. This is where I am. If you guys know this spot and you usually just pass it, you think it's a turnout, there's actually a trail that gets right to the Smith River right here. So I'm gonna take y'all to it because I think it's a really hidden spot, but it's hella nice. Here's equipped new accessory. Let me know what y'all think. So we went forward, sideways kind of trim. I could do maybe sideways, pretty trim. Hey, first things first, right? First things first. This is where I'm at though. Pretty trim. I might cramp like hella times today. I just cramp get out the car. We had this tough little training thing today for football. All right, y'all. Peep the fit though. Hold up. Peep the fit. Kind of trim with my SpongeBob crocs. Let me know. All right, y'all. So like, I'm at the part you post a cross at. Bro, that's $100 right here, cut. Is that not crazy? Should I like move it? Do you think it's real? Damn! I just brought it back to my truck. This is so trim. All right, crossing the street. Pretty trim. Where's the trail? Oh, here it is. Found it. This is the trail, y'all. It's a little hidden trail, bro. Pretty trim. Man, what a great start to the video. We got $100 before the video even started. That is a blessing. That's from the Lord telling us this is gonna be a good video and that I'm doing a good thing. Man, it's a pretty steep trail both ways. It just goes straight down almost. Not straight down, but you know what I mean. Like basically straight line. There's some sticks in the way, nothing crazy though, nothing uncommon for a trail. Some low-hanging leaves, but it's all good, man. Blessed trail. It's gonna be hard getting back up in Crocs. I still have my SpongeBob Crocs on because it's gonna be slippery, but it's gonna be good though. It's gonna be good. Trust. I think the right thing to do with the money is to buy a couple ounces and then start going crazy, you know? Which I think. Nah, I'm just playing. I might save it, you know what I'm saying? I'm college, gotta save your money. I might spend it on some gear. Ooh, I might spend it on some climbing shoes. I'm tired of the rentals, low-key. Here we are. So I ain't been, that's the whole trail really the same. This is where we are at. You're like, okay, little mossy rock action. My feet are gonna be soaked at the end of this video. And you get to the Smith River. Beautiful, beautiful sight. Oh. Beautiful. You are next to a highway, but regardless, the camera does not do it justice. I'm gonna get some pictures and throw them up from my other camera. But wow, so beautiful. It's a blessing. It's amazing that the same God that created you and me created this for the same reason. Like, it's all for the same goal. Man. Man. It takes your breath away. It leaves you speechless, you know? Like, I'm gonna shut up, you know? Thumbnail, maybe. Man, this is beautiful. Let me know if y'all ever been to the Redwoods and would y'all come here. I'm gonna come here a couple times on this channel for sure. Do a couple, you know what I'm saying, activities. Definitely gonna camp here. Definitely gonna camp here. Not here, but in the Redwoods. We're almost there, probably 15, 20 minutes out. So decided to take a stop. We're ahead on time. We got about 3 hours out here today. Very good, very good. Yeah, let me know. Definitely feeling that. It's good, feeling blessed, highly motivated. Can't wait to get back in that Uber. I'm saying, handle it responsibly, you know. I'm looking kind of trim, sorry. Had to flex a little bit. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Quick thumbnail. Isn't that crazy? Wow. It is stunning. All right, we're gonna head back up so I can get y'all some views of the Redwoods. All right, we're off to the next place. I'm back in the Uber. Off to the next place. Yes, sir. What's going on? We are in the park. All right, y'all. We just parked down there. We're about to go into the first grove. Look how big this tree is. Like, you see in the car. It's kind of crazy to set up, ain't gonna lie. But look, sorry. It's kind of crazy to set up because the car's going by like 70 miles per hour. And this tree is like as big as 2 or 3 cars. Like, I'm gonna get right up next to it so you can see. Like, bruh, I can't even pan out far enough for you to see how big this tree is. That's crazy. Like, it's just so humbling, bro. I can't hear, bro. I'm kind of stuffed up. It's kind of hazardous. I can't hear nothing. But across the street now. Look at that. Like, bro, look at this. That's so true. All right. Like, it looks pretty all the time. This is my favorite part of California. Crescent City, because it got the beach and it got, low-key, it got mountains like hella close. And then it got the Redwoods, bro. And the Redwoods are so true. May not be too loud. People probably in here. All right, y'all. I need a little hike snack. You don't know what this is? It's an Asian pear. It's like the crispiness of an apple with a taste of a pear. Let's go inside. We are inside of a tree. Man, life is beautiful. This is so good. I love that I get to spend days like this. Like, it started off hard with the workout, but I like working out in the morning. Like, I don't know, it's a good start for me usually. And now I get to be in nature. And now I'm eating fruit, which is like my favorite kind of food. And then I get to go to work after this, which is like, I like my job. It's good, bro. Man, life is blessed. Look at this tree. That's like a football field. My goodness. Man, like, look at this. Man. Bruh, I hate doing that shit, bruh. Nah, I don't hate it. Hate is a strong word. I don't really like doing that. I prefer not to, but I know that it looks cool. So I feel silly doing it. All right, guys, we're in the second spot. Oh. I don't even know this is a trail. It kind of looks like one, but then it doesn't. And this feels kind of sketch. I don't know if that's a trail. Should I keep going? Oh yeah, it is. It's fire. Man, it's beautiful. Little thumbnail. This tree is huge. Dude. It starts like 50 feet away from where I'm standing, and then it goes another probably 40 this way. I'm probably lowballing that too. Whoa. It's probably like 300 feet. Wow. That is crazy. This is crazy. All right, y'all, we're back in the Uber. It was a great day. We got to see so much beautiful trees and beautiful nature and a lot of greenery. Pete, got to sit in the parking lot. Crazy. Man, it's really a blessing. I love being out here. Definitely my favorite part of California. Fun fact, I told my girlfriend I loved her in this forest. Just a couple, probably like 3/4 of a mile down the road. So I love this place a lot. I think it's smooth. I'm definitely gonna be doing more videos here. Speaking of more videos, I have a 3-day camping trip, 3-day, 2-night coming this weekend. That video will be posted probably next Wednesday. And then in a couple months, about a month, I have a bunch of 5-day trips, like back to back, and then 2 10-day trips. So I'm gonna have a lot of videos, like a really cool stuff happening pretty soon. I'm gonna be building my camper. I'm gonna be building my like camping setup back there. So I'll do like a series on that. I'll probably start that soon. My fault. My camera died. What I was saying is I'm building my camper back there. My camping setup in my camper, and I would do a series on that. I have to do it before spring break or during spring break. So we'll see. So it'll be soon, and that's gonna be fun. My fault. I'm on my other camera because my GoPro died. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I'm thankful for you watching. No matter how long you watch, I hope this inspired you to go outside, because that's the main goal. I want more people outside, man. Look at that. It's beautiful. And I have a lot of cool videos coming soon of stuff I'm doing. If you want to watch, you can subscribe, or you cannot subscribe, or you can like the video, or not if you didn't like it. Or drop some recommendations if you didn't like it too. Tell me some tips and pointers. I'm trying to glean some knowledge. You know? Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and peace.